my name is Lily. I'm an illustrator in Switzerland, and this is Weekly with me. So today we're Thursday, and I wanted to start this little chat with you with an apology because I haven't been much online at the beginning of this week. I needed a little bit of digital detox. I felt overwhelmed by everything, basically everything. Too much music, too much content, too much things to do, and my head was just crowded. I needed to do a little cleaning of my headspace, and for that I needed to be less present on my phone and more focused on the here and now. So in other news this week, I am full on work as usual, but with a little twist. I take more time for myself, more time to relax, and that's quite a change. Because for the past few weeks, even though I travel quite a bit, I didn't take any days. So every day I work, even though it's just an hour or 3 or 4, usually it's 4. Yeah, so I'm a bit of a work obsessed person, and that's to the detriment of my health, and in particular to my mental health. And that's why I wanted to try another way of working, which is to have some downtime and some relaxing time without feeling guilty about it, which is still quite tricky for me, but I'm getting there. It's a process. So I'm working on that part and I'm working on that bit. And so far the experiment, the tryout is really, really good for me. So I think I'm gonna continue to do that if I can. For the rest of the week, what I have planned is to go to a little town on the other side of Switzerland, which is called Bad Ragaz. It's near the border with Liechtenstein, so from me living in Geneva, near the border with France, it's quite a trip. It's going to be a day full of trains, but I'm really excited to go and to meet some interesting people and to see my products in their shop. And from what I've seen on Instagram, their shop looks very nice and very interesting, so maybe a little bit of shopping as well for me. So yeah, that's it for me, and I wish us all to be like Chichi and to just take naps all day, all night.
Hey guys!
I have to go home. Good luck.
They're lying. It's been like this all summer.
It's romantic.
It's gross.